Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel The Drifters Club, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online working from homes. So today's video is going to be little different. In today's videos, I want to show you how to use Reddit now. If you have never heard of Reddit, it's a social media platform with over 300 million users and its nickname is the front page of the internet. So go to the Google and search reddit.com, which is a website for Reddit, but the content is the same. The way you get around it a little bit different, so let me make this as quick, as easy to understand as possible. Let's jump in here to the Google and search reddit.com. Then this website is appear in front of you, as you can see in the screen. In today's videos, I will tell you about what is Reddit. Reddit is an online discussion forum in which you can discuss about different topics. Reddit started in 2005, but if it is called the homepage of internet, then it grabs a lot of traffic. It is very premium. Most of the traffic include USA, UK, Canada and Australia, etc. All the traffic is very premium. You can use this traffic for different benefits. You can grab traffic from this platform and take this traffic in your blogs, personal blogs, social media, different accounts which you want traffic, and promote your social products and social services. You can use this traffic and get benefit from this. If the friends, you may not know that how can we use this traffic and how can we use Reddit, then in this video I will describe A to Z with briefly. If you guys still don't subscribe my channel, then I request you please subscribe my channel for more informative content and video. Let's start. Friends, as you can in the screen, first of all, our work on screen may be we can create an account on Reddit. So guys, let's start to create an account on Reddit. Go to your screen, reddit.com website open, and then create an account. For creating the account, click admin button, which you can show on the screen, and then click login or sign up. If you have already an account, then you just log in your account, but if you don't have an account, then you will sign up. So click this dialog box, then this page will appear in front of you, as you can see on the screen. If you have already an account, then you can put username and password and then continue. But if you don't have an account, then you will sign up. Paste your email here in the dialog box and then click continue. So guys, please proceeding this process, kindly subscribe my channel if you still don't subscribe it. Like and please share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit from this. So here we will continue with Google because we already had Google account. It is easy. So let's see what I do. As you sign up with your Google account, then you will reach this screen which is in front of you. Explore this site by upward and downward scrolling. So guys, it's a very professional site. Before reaching this site, you will definitely know about the rules of this site before using this site. Because if you don't know the rules of this site, reddit.com, then your account will be suspended permanently due to the violence of their rules. If you post any video, any link before reading their rules and community guidelines. So guys, be careful while using reddit.com. And always remember their rules and community guidelines before using this site. So guys, go to your home page. If we click the home dialog box, then you can see below the dialog box subreddits are shown in front of you, which means that reddits are called different communities which you join on reddit.com, which is according to your interest and you joined already. Next, the search dialog box is appear. You can see on the screen. Here we can search any topic and any video by typing the title of that topic. As you can see, different videos according to the technologies and different topics will show later. Yeah, as you can see on the screen, technology, we can join this community of technology. So guys, let's join this community as you can see on the screen. And guys, in this arrow button, if you click this, then you will get popular videos, stories and text which is very popular and trending. See, this hot news is and top of the trendings today's trending. You can see here the top trendings of the internet world, which may be very helpful for creating your YouTube trending content like this. After 5 years of hard work, I created my game. Caption give upside of the video. Next, Donald Trump will be arrested next week. He is calling for his son. You can see and read regarding this material. Next, Elon Musk and so on. So next step is see coin, which means that you can buy coins and give it to your creators and to your followers on reddit.com. Next procedure is happening now, which means that which are very hot news that are recently occurred, may include any chats, recordings, videos which are happening on Reddit right now. You can see here by clicking happening now. Now notification bar, which you have already know about this. You can get notifications if someone accepted your community as a member, and the admin of any community which you have applied has fulfilled your request, then you will get notifying here. And in this box you will chat and you get connected with someone else by communication and by chatting them. And in this create new button plus, you can create any post which you want, and this is advertise. So let's create a post, and then by clicking this you can see different options and click any option which you want and explore them by step. Let's create a post, then click plus and create a post. You can't directly post on Reddit. If you want post on Reddit, then you will definitely join any community and then choose a community before posting on reddit.com. So search NFT community and then click anyone below the dialog box. So this page is appear in front of you. As you can see, this community NFT, and then click join. Successfully joined NFT. You will get a notified by downward to your screen, and then explore this community by start to end. As you can see, hot posts are appear, new posts are appear here, and then if you click top, then most top rated posts are appeared in front of you and shown on the top of the screen. Below this post you can see and can comment by clicking this comment dialog box, and then award, reward, then share, save, and by getting more options you can click 3 dots. And in front of this community you can see a rectangular box in this box the rules and regulations about this community is mentioned. If you against and violate these rules, then you will be removed and your account will be banned permanently from reddit.com. So be careful for this. And before commenting any section, please carefully read the group rules. So guys, please be a part of this conversation. Please subscribe to our channel and then press the bell icon so that you can be notified by all incoming new videos of this channel. Thank you. To stay updated on new videos and get all the latest updates, please click subscribe. Then search technology related community. As you can see on the screen, let's join this community and explore further. You have successfully joined. For creating post, you must read the community guidelines and rules of this group. Firstly, I will write what is technology is in coming days will artificial intelligence takes replace humans. First two options are invisible for this community, such as Aussie and spoiler. This option is visible. NSFW, which means mark as not safe for work. And then flare option is visible. You can select any of this option which is related to your post, such as my option is related to artificial intelligence. That's why I selected artificial intelligence and then apply. So guys, is it enough for you? Hope you will definitely like this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe. See you soon in next video.